How about you? Welcome back to Hidden Oaks Homestead. It's Chip and Nicole. What? Where you go? Where you going? I gotta do my Hamiltonville. Welcome back to Hidden Oaks Homestead. We are with our bees today.
We're gonna do an inspection.
We're gonna bust these things open, take a look inside. Hopefully we can find the queen today. We haven't actually found the queen.
Yeah, well, every beekeeper has told us don't worry about it so much. As long as they're in there, there's a queen somewhere.
I'm not worried about it, but I would like to see the queen.
I would like to.
I would like to introduce myself.
Right.
To the queens.
Shake some hands.
Yeah. So I know we don't have to see the queen to know that everything's okay, but I would just like to see the queen. It would just feel good to find her and be like, that's her right there.
That's the one we're able to identify.
If you guys have watched, we've got 3 hives. This is our first go with bees. We're trying to figure it out. Shortly after we got these things, one of our hives blew up.
Yes.
And they were ready to swarm. So we've already put a super on top of one of them.
An emergency super. We were not prepared because that was pretty much immediately after we got them. They started swarming and moving out. And Chip actually had to leave work to pick up a super that we just found locally because nobody had any.
Yeah.
So I called him, was like, look, I found one. You need to go and get it right now.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna try to keep these bees under control and keep them here, hug them tight, you know, so that they stick around.
Yeah, I had to leave work. Like, she called me and I had to pack it up, close up my toolbox and get out of there. And everybody thought something was wrong at work because I was so quick getting out. Co-workers are texting me, man, is everything okay? I hope everything's okay. And I'm like, yeah, I got a
bee emergency.
A hive of bees about to swarm. So I had to get out. They're like, oh, it's just bees? It's like, it's not just bees. It's our bees.
It's our bees.
So Diesel likes to be involved with everything we do, except when it comes to the bees. So he'll probably hide here in the bushes while we work on the bees.
We couldn't find a single lighter in the house, so luckily we have some matches to get this thing fired up with. This might take a while. Got to get my drawstring tight and run my beard.
All right.
We're gonna start with the first one that we added the emergency super to, just to check on that one and see how it's doing. We got a queen excluder separating the two, so that way the queen can't get up top, and then it should be straight honey on the top super.
No brood.
No brood in that one.
No extra protein.
So we're gonna check that one and see how that one's looking. Then we're gonna get into these other two and see how they look as well. Yeah. Let's just take it and put it on top of this.
Oh, no, we're good. All right. the worker bees, right? These big ones are drones, so those are males, okay? So they're gonna kill those. After they mate with the queen, they kill those off.
Ooh.
Oh, do I calm them down?
No, leave them be.
You can see the eggs inside. Come here. Look in the right here in the middle. Look inside those combs that don't have the brown cap on them. You can see the little larvae in there. You see them?
Yep. Daddy, look at all that honey.
Slowly. They're not messing with you. There you go. These are heavy.
Amber spray.
Amber, leave them.
See, these still haven't stretched out all the way.
Yeah.
That's her.
Yeah. Looks like. You see how much longer her body is? That's enough.
We got the first two done. Everything's going pretty good.
We
right?
actually found a queen.
Yeah, we found a queen.
Or so we think.
We didn't find one in the first hive, but we found one in the second one. We believe it's a queen. If you're a bee expert and you're watching this, let us know in the comments below. Was that the queen? Because we feel like it was.
Yeah, we feel like it was.
Right?
I'm pretty sure that was it.
We feel like it was.
Yeah.
We'll see. So, but those two are good. We added a super onto the second one. Everything's good. Now this last one that we're gonna do, it seems like it's a little weaker.
Yeah.
It just doesn't have as much activity. Maybe they're lazier
Maybe they're
than the
lazier,
other
or
two.
maybe it's just smaller.
I don't, but
in
we're
general.
expecting to get in there and it just not doing as well as the other two. Not as grown out as the other two, but we're gonna crack it open and we're gonna take a look inside and see how it looks.
Not so close.
No queen.
Stand up straight, man.
Hang on. Let me just get it. That's good, buddy. There's honey in here. Drone workers. No.
that's something we've been needing to take care of. We got it done. We've been putting it off, but we got to it finally.
We just took a weekend to really set aside and do it, because during the week it's difficult with weather and work schedules. So this weekend we got it done.
We wanted to make sure we got the kids out here to help. Amber's getting really comfortable with the bees. When we were in the UAE, anytime we've been in Germany, just terrified of bees.
Freak out.
And she's doing really good. We went ahead and put queen excluder on the third one. As we thought, it's not growing as quickly as the other two, but it's coming along. They're working.
They're working. There's honey in there, there's brood in there, so they're definitely working away. It's just not as quickly as the other two.
Yeah.
Chip is getting a little too brave though.
I got a little comfortable. I was working with no gloves, and I'm the first one to get stung.
Congratulations.
Out here. So it doesn't tickle, that's for sure. It does not tickle. But anyways, we got it done.
We're having fun with it.
We did it. Thank you guys. That's all we got for this video, right?
Yeah. And we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.